Hello, Professor. This is Ms. Smita. I'm working with Jana for this project in SEC935. Here is our final deliverable 3, where we are going to present and do the demonstration on our project regarding the technologies that we have used and how we implemented the technologies and configured it in the system. So here are the technologies that we have used in our projects so far. These are the technologies that we have implemented as per the requirements that are given in our project instructions. As we have already mentioned in our documentation, we have used Windows Server 2016 as our operating system. Choosing Windows Server 2016 as our operating system provides a stable and secure platform for hosting various applications and services. Its robust features and support make it suitable for business environments. Additionally, Windows Server offers seamless integration for the technologies that we will be using afterwards as a requirement of our project. Another technology that we have implemented in our project as a web server is XAMPP. XAMPP is a popular choice for local web development environments due to its simplicity and versatility. It bundles Apache, MySQL, PHP, and Perl into an easy-to-install package, which makes it suitable for quickly setting up a testing environment for web applications like WordPress, which is another technology that we will be using as our CMS. Its user-friendly interface make it accessible to both beginners as well as experienced developers. So we have decided to use XAMPP as our web server. Another technology that we have used in our project is firewall as a host-based security. Utilizing a firewall such as the one built into Windows or third-party solutions is crucial for safeguarding our system from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Firewalls act as a barrier between our network and potential external risks, providing granular control over incoming and outgoing traffic. They enhance our project's security posture by preventing unauthorized access and potentially malicious activities. Another technology that we have implemented in our project is WordPress as our CMS. WordPress is widely adopted content management system known for its user-friendly interface and extensive ecosystem of plugins and themes. Choosing WordPress simplifies content creation and management, enabling our project to focus on delivering content and functionality rather than building everything from scratch. Though we haven't implemented any of such things in our project, its community support and documentation make it a go-to use for various types of websites, from blogs to business sites. So each of these technologies choices is made to serve a specific purpose, aligning with our project's requirements, goals, needs, and the expertise of our team. It's important to consider factors like ease of use, security, compatibility, and overall project requirements when making these decisions. So me and my teammate Dana has carefully gone through the requirements of the project and selected each of these technologies to fit into our project. So after this, we are moving forward for the demonstration of the project. I have logged into our Windows Server 2016. For the specification that we have implemented here, I'll be showing. After successfully logging into the Windows Server 2016. I'm inside the virtual machine, SEC935. For this virtual machine, the specifications goes like this. We have given it 4 GB of RAM, two processors with 2 cores per processor. For the hard disks, we have given 60 GB. Along with that, we have used NAT, our network adapter. So these are the specifications that requirements that we have given to our virtual machine. So we are successfully able to log in through our system like this.
Hi, I am Dana. After successfully installing and configuring our VM, which is the Windows Server 2016, I will now show you how to install and configure the XAMPP for our web server and WordPress for our CMS. But before everything else, we must download the XAMPP using this website. And since we are using the Windows, we are downloading the latest version, XAMPP. And for our WordPress, just go to this link and download. Once we get the XAMPP and WordPress downloaded, we can open the XAMPP and it will guide us through the setup. We can just simply accept the defaults. And if XAMPP is already installed in our system, we can skip this setup and open the XAMPP directly. We need to start the Apache and MySQL in XAMPP because it's important to make our WordPress site work on our computer. Apache helps show the website and MySQL takes care of the information, and if we don't run these two, our website will not work on our computer. For our WordPress, we must extract this and copy the extracted file in local disk XAMPP htdoc. As you can see, we already copied the extracted WordPress. And now that everything is okay, we will now configure WordPress in our XAMPP. Click the admin in the MySQL and we must create a new database, WordPress. Since we already created it, it's here. And now that we have created the WordPress database, we can now go to the localhost WordPress. After going to localhost WordPress, it will direct us to set up the configuration. In this, we wrote the database name and as well WordPress, username root, and we leave the password empty and then submit. And for the next slide, it will ask us to give the information for our WordPress. For the site, we use sushi DM, password, dmpagatpatan@mesenica.ca for our email. And then press install WordPress. After the installation, it directed us to log in. And as you can see, we are successfully logged in our WordPress account. You will see here sushi and DM. And now we are now free to use our WordPress. And we already configure our XAMPP and WordPress.
In this part, I will show the demonstration for the implementation of firewall as a security. So firewall in the firewall setting, we have turned our firewalls on so as to prevent the incoming and outgoing traffic to enter to our system. We turn the firewall on to protect our computer and network from potential threats. The firewall acts like a shield, monitoring and controlling incoming and outgoing traffic. Uh, this helps prevent unauthorized access, viruses, and other harmful activities from affecting our system. So here are some of the inbound and outbound rules that are implemented. Inbound rule controls incoming data to a device or network, aiming to block unauthorized access and threats, whereas outbound rules are the ones that manages outgoing data from a device or network, preventing unauthorized data transmission and maintaining security. So these are all the inbound and outbound rules that are present in our system.
To wrap up, we have successfully finished installing and getting everything set up just right for our project. Once more, we are the group 2. Thank you for your attention. If there's anything you'd like to ask, please don't hesitate to do so.